Hey, it's another hair video. We are going to get rid of this pink. It only meant to stay for a month. It's been 3 months already, so long overdue stay. So let's get rid of this pink. Let's bleach these roots, and we are going to try our luck with Irish green. So I'm super excited. I've never tried this color before, so let's see how it turns out. Besides trying out a new color, I'm also going to be trying out a new powder bleach, and this is going to be the Ion Brilliance, the powder Lightener bright white. I am super excited to try this out. I mean, I've tried the developer with other powder brands, but I wanted to try this one. I don't really commit when it comes to trying out bleach. I like trying out different brands to see what works and what doesn't work for my stubborn roots. So I'm super excited to try this out. This is what works, okay? I mean, I split 4 sides here, 4 sides here. So we're gonna start from the back and then work our way all the way up. So. First application of bleach is done. I say first because I know I'm gonna have to apply again on spots that I missed and then some parts that are still kind of yellow. Since I started from the back, I know the back is gonna be good, but sometimes I do miss a spot back there. And then, but for sure I'm gonna apply again to the front. So yeah, just got out of the shower and definitely I'm gonna have to touch up again. Like, see that right there? And you see this darkness right here? Like, what the F is that? Like, and it's in the front too. So yeah, this time around I'm gonna start from the front and then work my way back. And that back is not that bad. I just finished applying bleach in the front, and right now I'm gonna look through the back to see where other spots I'm missing. This time around I like using a smaller brush because I'm only applying bleach where I missed the first time around. I really don't want to risk applying, bleach where they're not supposed to be bleached and then experience breakage. So yeah, just finished applying bleach again, second time around. And yeah, I have just a little bit left. So I'm gonna end up putting shampoo in this and creating a bleach bath, bleach wash, whatever. And I'm going to apply this to the pink parts of my hair to get rid of it. So yeah, but I think the second time around it's really lifting more. I'm not gonna go a third time. So if I miss the spot, oh well. Open this up to get everything inside. I still don't think this is enough, so I'm going to add some conditioner. But in this case, something better, just this. Then we'll put everything that's in here in here. Okay, ready to put this on my hair. I already put some of this right here. I was expecting it to be like a green. I'm getting more like a mint green. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see. My worst nightmare. I run out of product. I did touch up the front really well. Look at that, it looks so pretty. But if you look in the back, yeah, pretty much all this right here. I mean, I did go all around, but obviously, yeah, it's mainly the back roots that are not covered. What am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna suck it up, wait until Sally's opens, and that's until 11 a.m. It's barely 8:30, I believe. Due to COVID, That's why they're opening that late now. So yeah, walk of shame, buy another bottle. So after 2.5 hours later, I finally got back up. Luckily, I did not have to do the walk of shame. My husband, my lovely husband, went over there to Sally's to go get it for me. So yeah, excited. There you go. I think I'm gonna put more Irish green. But yes, let's finish this. I wait 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. I'm super excited. Are you guys ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, I am in love with it. Like, what? Like, look at this color. It's crazy. A year ago, if you were to tell me a year ago if I was gonna ever dye my hair green, I would have said no, I'm not gonna do green. But yes, look, a year later, and OMG, I'm in love with the color. It's so gorgeous, it's so vibrant, and like it's so pretty. I just like, whoa. I was just thinking of having it for, you know, the month of October, but no, it's just, this is my new favorite color. Before it was Purple Rain, now it's Irish Green. Look at how gorgeous this color is. It's so gorgeous. And I'm gonna insert, you know, right here or right here how it looks outside, because when the sun hits it, OMG, it's just gorgeous color. Such a beautiful color. I'm glad I took a risk on doing the green, and wow, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. Okay, so this is also a review video regarding the Ion Bright White Powder Lightener, and I'll be honest with you, this is the first and the last time I'm going to purchase this. It took longer than usual for my very dark roots to reach that pale yellow level. I did apply a third time. Big no-no, but only on certain levels, not like all over my head. And I did see some breakage there, but I mean, my hair still looks fine. I still have a good set of hair, so yeah. But yes, this will be the first and the last time. After I'm finished with this, we'll move on to another thing or something else that I love. But yes, I use 30. I could do 40, but I never do 40. I do not want to take that risk. So yes, but overall it's not bad, but to me, I felt that it took even longer than usual for my hair to lift. But yeah, this is it. This is my hair, my lovely green hair, Irish green from Arctic Fox. I am in love with it, OMG. But yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram or TikTok. Name is Complex Kari as well. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, any questions, anything, put it on the comment down below and I'll hit you up. But yes, but yeah, thank you for watching.